Hey everyone! Welcome back to Body Talk Chronicles, where we delve deep into the art of communication and uncover the secrets behind body language. Today, we're diving into a powerful topic: how to use body language to persuade and influence others. Whether you're in a business meeting, giving a presentation, or just having a casual conversation, mastering these skills can give you a significant edge. So, stick around because by the end of this video, you'll be equipped with techniques to enhance your persuasive abilities using body language. Let's start by understanding the importance of nonverbal communication. Studies have shown that a large portion of our communication is nonverbal, meaning that our body language, facial expressions, and gestures play a crucial role in how our messages are received. This means that even if you're saying all the right words, your body language can make or break your ability to persuade and influence others. 1. The power of eye contact. First up, let's talk about eye contact. It's often said that the eyes are the window to the soul, and when it comes to persuasion, eye contact is incredibly powerful. Maintaining good eye contact helps build trust and shows confidence. When you look someone in the eye, it creates a connection and signals that you're engaged and sincere. However, it's important to strike the right balance. Too little eye contact can make you seem untrustworthy or disinterested, while too much can come off as aggressive or unnerving. To use eye contact effectively, follow the 80-20 rule. Maintain eye contact about 80% of the time and break it 20% of the time. This helps keep the interaction natural and comfortable. Also, be sure to engage with everyone in the group if you're speaking to multiple people. This inclusivity makes everyone feel acknowledged and respected. 2. The warmth of your smile. Next, let's discuss the power of a smile. A genuine smile can be incredibly persuasive because it conveys friendliness, warmth, and approachability. When you smile, it not only makes you appear more likable, but also puts others at ease, making them more receptive to your message. A genuine smile, also known as a Duchenne smile, involves the muscles around the eyes as well as the mouth. To ensure your smile comes across as authentic, think of something that genuinely makes you happy or amused. This will naturally engage the muscles around your eyes and create a more sincere expression. 3. The impact of your posture. Your posture says a lot about your confidence and authority. Standing or sitting up straight with your shoulders back conveys confidence and competence. This powerful stance not only makes you feel more confident, but also influences how others perceive you. Avoid slouching or crossing your arms, as these can signal disinterest or defensiveness. Instead, keep an open posture. Open postures make you appear more approachable and open to dialogue, which is crucial for persuasion. 4. The role of gestures. Hand gestures can significantly enhance your verbal communication and make your message more persuasive. Using purposeful gestures helps to emphasize your points and keep your audience engaged. For example, open hand gestures with palms facing up signal openness and honesty, while pointing or making a fist can come off as aggressive and should be used sparingly. When explaining complex ideas, using illustrative gestures can help to make your message clearer and more memorable. However, it's important to ensure that your gestures are natural and not overly rehearsed. Overly dramatic or exaggerated gestures can distract from your message and come across as insincere. 5. The importance of personal space. Respecting personal space is another critical aspect of persuasive body language. Invading someone's personal space can make them feel uncomfortable and defensive, which can hinder your ability to persuade. Different cultures have varying norms regarding personal space, so it's essential to be aware of these differences. As a general rule, maintaining about an arm's length distance is usually a safe bet in most social and professional settings. Being mindful of personal space helps to create a comfortable environment where the other person feels respected and valued, making them more open to your influence. 6. The subtle art of touch. When used appropriately, touch can be a powerful tool for building rapport and influencing others. A light touch on the arm or shoulder can convey empathy, support, and connection. However, touch is a very sensitive area and must be used with caution. Always consider the context and the relationship you have with the person. In a professional setting, it's generally best to keep touch minimal and respectful. Appropriate touch can help to reinforce your message and create a sense of trust and connection, making your persuasion efforts more effective. 7. the rhythm of your speech. While body language is crucial, the way you use your voice also plays a significant role in persuasion. Your tone, pace, and volume can all influence how your message is received. Speaking in a calm, steady, and confident tone helps to convey authority and trustworthiness. Varying your pace and volume can help to keep your audience engaged and emphasize key points. Avoid speaking too quickly, as this can make you seem nervous or insincere, and avoid speaking too slowly, as this can lose your audience's interest. A well-modulated voice combined with effective body language can significantly enhance your persuasive abilities. 8. The consistency of nonverbal and verbal messages. Another key aspect of persuasive body language is ensuring that your nonverbal cues match your verbal message. Consistency between what you say and how you say it reinforces your message and makes you appear more credible and trustworthy. For instance, if you're speaking confidently but your body language is closed off or defensive, it sends mixed signals and can undermine your message. Aligning your gestures, facial expressions, and posture with your words helps to create a cohesive and convincing presentation. 9. The contextual cues. Finally, remember that context is key in using body language to persuade and influence. The effectiveness of your body language can depend on the situation, the relationship you have with the person, and the cultural norms at play. Always be mindful of these contextual factors and be prepared to adjust your body language accordingly. What works in one situation might not work in another, so being adaptable is crucial. By being aware of the context and the individual you're interacting with, you can use body language more effectively to persuade and influence. So, to wrap things up, we've covered a lot of ground today. There's a whole toolkit of body language techniques that can enhance your persuasive abilities. Remember, the key to effective persuasion is to be authentic, observant, and adaptable. I hope you found this video both intriguing and insightful. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Body Talk Chronicles for more in-depth videos on body language, communication, and beyond. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.